ignore PDP lies, Dr. Alex Otti was not sacked by any court of law. The report being sponsored and widely circulated by the PDP and Abia State government alleging that a Kano High Court has sacked the Abia governor-elect, Dr. Alex Otti OFR, is baseless, unfounded, and misleading, and thus should be ignored. For the records, though the perpetrators targeted the Abia governor-elect and the people of Abia State for that legal coup, they were not courageous enough to confront him in the open. Hence, he was never joined in the suit, for fear that his eminently qualified lawyers would take the perpetrators to the cleaners. To put the record straight and reassure our teaming supporters and millions of Abians who are still celebrating the liberation of Abia, we wish to emphatically state as follows: that the Federal High Court in Kano did not issue any order on Abia Labour Party candidates, nor the governor-elect, Dr. Alex Otti, because, unlike those who brought the suit to steal the Abia people's mandate, the court was conscious of its powers and careful not to fall into the boo-boo trap set for it by the PDP and Abia State government. To that effect, the court specifically stated in clause 9 of the judgment, thus, the candidates that participated in the election in Abia State are not parties before this court, and as such, the court lacks the jurisdiction to make an order for the issuance of certificate of return to them. This has clearly answered the question of alleged sack of Dr. Alex Otti. There was no order to that effect. Sure, some of us were aware that the PDP filed similar suits in Abia here. For example, in the case of Chief ACB Abazwere versus Honorable Ginger Wusibe, it was adjudicated up to the Supreme Court. And the PDP candidate lost both at the Federal High Court, Court of Appeal, and at the Supreme Court. And all the issues that were raised in the Jankara judgment in Kano, we also raised there. They were all those issues were what formed the basis for that litigation against Honorable Ginger Wusibe. And he won up to the Supreme Court. That case was handled by Chief Umekale here. So the facts are very clear.